Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to uncap FPS using client settings. So firstly, we need to go to the search panel of Windows, and in here we will type Roblox player. Then click on open file location. After that, we'll right click on the application and click on open file location again. Now in the Roblox game folder, we'll right click and select new and create a new folder. We'll name this folder client settings. Now after that, we'll just open the folder, right click, then go to new and add a text document inside this folder. So just like that, and for the name of this text document, we'll just give client app settings, then hit on enter. Now we'll double click in here, and in here now we have to add a code. So the code is this: df in task scheduler target FPS. Then you can give whatever you want as your FPS. The limit will be whatever your computer can handle. So after doing that, I'll just click on file and save as. Now in here you have to add the extension after the file name .json, then click on save. Now you will see that a JSON file, which is a Java file, has been created in here. And now we'll go to the search panel. Then we'll type Roblox player, then click on open. Now the Roblox player is open and we can get into any game we want. So I'll just get into Please Donate to test it out. Now I am inside Please Donate, and if I open my FPS counter, you will see that I have an uncapped FPS and it is currently at 175, 180. So this is how you can uncap your FPS counter in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.